Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. Francis here. Hope you're having a good day. This is a really quick video to talk about how to do some dimensional analysis with seafloor spreading. Say that 10 times fast. So I'm going to try out my new X pen. Very exciting. So let's start here. If you are unaware, you probably should know these types of things, like 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. You should know these generally, how to convert back and forth. So know those equalities. Problem starts off saying the total spreading rate of the mid-Atlantic ridge. So I'm going to draw myself a little ridge is about 2 centimeters per year. It clarifies here in the parentheses that 1 centimeter per year per side. So remember, this is a divergent boundary moving away from each other, these two plates. And so we're going to have them like, oh, apparently I'm in the wrong mode here. Here we go. I can do this. I can do this. One going this way and one going this way. And the rate for each side is 1 centimeter per year. And that's the same on the other side. So remember that this is all happening at the same time. So we're probably going to have to deal with this number right here, 1 centimeter per year, not 2 centimeters per year, because 1 centimeter this way, 1 centimeter the other way at the same time. So it says the present distance from the ridge axis to the continental margin. So the continents, like here's a margin here and here's a margin here, is approximately 2,000 kilometers. If spreading has been roughly constant, what should the approximate age of the ocean crust near the edges of the Atlantic basin, so that's here and here, because that's the old and cold stuff. So here's what you need to do. With dimensional analysis, you always start off with what you know. What do you know for sure? And it's usually, but not always, usually not the conversion factor. What we know is that the distance from the ridge all the way over to the edge of the crust is 2,000 kilometers. So that's what I'm going to start with. Let's see if I can do this, you guys. So, oh, no, okay, here we go. 2,000, this is going to be fun, kilometers. And I want to know years. Okay, I know how many centimeters per year. So I'm going to have to convert kilometers into centimeters. So in dimensional analysis, scientists like to kind of take a few shortcuts. Oh, you guys, all right. You'll give me a little grace here. What we're going to do is whatever unit is here, we're going to put it in the denominator of the next portion. I like to call that kitty corner. And my conversion factor here says 1 kilometer. So I'm going to say 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Now, a meter is smaller than a kilometer. That's why there are so many in a kilometer. So I'm getting closer to a centimeter. All right. I then can now cross off kilometers. And kilometers, I now know how many meters there are. So now I'm going to look again. I've got another conversion factor, 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. The 100 centimeters, therefore, will go in the denominator. And now I can cancel out meters and meters. So far we have 2,000 times 1,000 times 100. All right, looks like we've got to extend this just a little bit more. We're trying to get to years. And this too up here is a conversion factor. It says for every 1 centimeter that goes, that the seafloor spreads, there will be 1 year that passes by. And so down in the denominator, I'm going to take from my centimeters here, I'm going to put centimeters right here. 1 centimeter. And what does it equal? 1 year. That's something I got from the problem there. Okay, now centimeters and centimeters will cancel out, and the only unit I have now is years. So what we do in order to put this in the calculator, everything on top gets multiplied, everything on the bottom has a division sign before it. So technically this is 2,000 times 1,000 divided by 1. times 100 divided by 1 times 1 divided by 1. Okay, we had to have this here because we had to know that we had the correct units. When this all comes out in the wash, you should get 200 million. Oh, I think I want to go over here and write that. 200, comma, million, comma, in my unit years. So if you end up taking the paper version of the test, which I think we're going to, you're going to have to show dimensional analysis like this. All right, I hope this helps. I hope that you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.